GLS, pick up the count on your mark, please.
I copy. 3, 2, 1. T-minus 9 minutes and counting. GLS auto sequence has been initiated.
And from now till launch, over 1,000 different parameters on the space shuttle will be checked.
Houston, flight NTD on 212.
NTD Houston Flight 212.
Okay, need to update the lock stream back performance hold time when you get it, please.
Okay, sir. We'll have it momentarily. NTD Houston Flight 212.
Houston, flight, go ahead.
New drain back hold time, 2 minutes, 23 seconds.
I copy. 2 minutes, 23 seconds, lock stream back hold time.
That's a good copy, NTD.
Thank you. PLT, OTC, connect essential buses to fuel cells.
That is in work.
Standing by to retract the crew access arm.
Buses are connected to the fuel cell.
Copy, PLT.
GLS says go for orbiter access arm retract.
The orbiter access arm can be put back into position around the crew orbiter access hatch in just 28 seconds if that should be necessary. Next event will be the pre-start of the auxiliary power units. That coming up in 15 seconds.
JRPS, start APU recorders.
GRPS, I can verify recorders are running.
Copy. PLT, perform APU pre-start.
APU pre-start is in work.
T-minus 6 minutes and counting.
OTC from PLT, APU pre-start is complete. We have a above full talk back on number 1, and 2 and 3 are gray.
That's expected. Copy, Mark.
APUs will start in 45 seconds. And at that point, we'll terminate the replenishment of liquid oxygen, start the drain back.
GLS says go for orbiter APU start.
PLT, OTC, start APUs.
That is in work.
And if there's a problem with this MDM card, the computer will stop the count at 4 minutes.
OTC PLT, APU start is complete. Got 3 fine running APUs.
Excellent.
T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Go for third sequence 4. TC CLT-12.
CL go.
We didn't get the reconfigure heaters yet.
Sorry, I missed that.
The air surface profile test now underway.
VDR reconfigure heaters.
Heater
Yeah.
reconfiguration complete.
Now the 3 main engines of Atlantis being gimbaled, going through their steering sequence to verify full controllability. T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
TLS's go for ET LO2 pressurization.
And we'll prepare now to retract the gaseous oxygen vent arm, the GOX beanie cap.
PLT, clear caution warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
That's in work.
Top off of the fuel cells is being terminated.
OTC PLT, caution warning memories cleared. There were no unexpected messages.
Copy PLT. All flight crew members, close and lock your visors and initiate O2 flow.
Visors and O2 flow.
TLS's go for ET LH2 pressurization.
One minute, 30 seconds.
Now arming the sound suppression water system. T-minus 1 minute. Turning off the solid rocket booster joint heaters. SLB flight data recorder is being activated. Standing by to hand off from the ground launch sequencer to Atlantis' onboard computers at T-minus 31. And the handoff has occurred. Atlantis' computers now controlling.
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Firing chain armed. Sound suppression water system now activated.
10 seconds.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Go for main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis with Destiny, a science laboratory for the 21st century.
Houston now controlling.
Houston, Atlantis, roll program.
Roger, roll, Atlantis.
The roll maneuver is complete aboard Atlantis. The vehicle's now in a heads-down position on course for a 51.6 degree, 201 statute mile orbit. Approaching 30 seconds into the flight, preparing to begin throttle down of the main engines as the vehicle prepares to pass through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the orbiter. "50 seconds into the flight, Atlantis is already downrange from the launch site of 2.5 miles at an altitude now of 5 miles.
Atlantis, go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
Atlantis' 3 liquid-fueled engines are back at full throttle, approaching 1 minute 10 seconds into the flight. All systems in good shape. The hydraulic systems, auxiliary power units in excellent shape, as are the electricity-producing fuel cells aboard the vehicle. Atlantis already traveling 1,500 miles per hour. Downrange from the launch site, 10 miles at an altitude of 13 miles. 1 minute, 30 seconds into the flight. At this point, Atlantis has already burned more than 2 million pounds of fuel and weighs half of what it did at launch. All very quiet, all going very smoothly aboard the orbiter. Approaching 1 minute 50 seconds. The next event is burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters, which consume about 10 tons of propellant every second. SRB separation confirmed 2 minutes 10 seconds into the flight. Atlantis traveling 3,000 miles per hour at an altitude of 31 miles, downrange from the launch site 40 miles. Beautiful view of Atlantis on its external tank now and main engines, each producing 400 pounds of thrust.